Let's make Bánh Xèo, the famous Vietnamese sizzling pancake. It's savory, flavorful, and incredibly crispy. To eat, just tear a piece, wrap it in lettuce and fresh herbs, roll it, dip it in a sweet and sour sauce, and enjoy every bite. Let's begin the crispy batter by adding 1 cup of rice flour to your mixing bowl. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. To give it a beautiful color, include half teaspoon of turmeric. Season the batter with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Time to add 1 large egg to the mixture. Then it's 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Now add half cup of water to begin. Pour half cup of coconut milk. Mix it up, and we can always add a little more water until the batter reaches the perfect consistency. Continue adding water until the batter is thin and watery, much thinner than your average pancake mix. Now let the batter rest for 15 to 20 minutes. To start cooking our pancakes, first chop half a cup of shallots. And finally chop 2 cloves of garlic. In a skillet, heat oil over medium-high heat. Once hot, saute the shallots and garlic for roughly 1 minute. Next, toss in about 100 grams of peeled shrimp and cook them just until they are partially cooked. When the shrimp begin to turn pink, take them out of the skillet and set them aside. Using the same skillet, add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, then place in a few pieces of the shrimp. Now, gently pour in a thin layer of the batter, just enough to cover the bottom of the skillet. Swirl the skillet to evenly spread the batter and then cover for a minute. Once the bottom of the batter starts to turn brown, add about a handful of blanched bean sprouts. Cover the skillet again for about a minute or until the pancake is crispy and golden brown. Then, carefully fold it in half. Let's make a simple sweet and sour sauce that comes together in no time. Start by combining 1 cup of sweet chili sauce. Pour in 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Give it a good mix and the dipping sauce is ready. To complete the meal, serve your Bánh Xèo with the dipping sauce, fresh cilantro, fragrant Thai basil, bright lime wedges, and crisp lettuce leaves. And just like that, our crispy, savory Vietnamese pancakes are ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. We truly hope you enjoyed this Bánh Xèo recipe. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.